Good morning. What is going on, Garage Couple fans? For those of you just tuning in, my name is Aline and I drive this JKU. And usually my husband would be standing right here. His name is Greg, and he would say, "Hi, my name is Greg and I drive this Rubicon TJ." But unfortunately today, he's at work, so you guys get me for today's special episode. Now, I am so excited for today's episode because if you know anything about us, we love testing products on the Jeep. Whether it is a trim restorer, a headlight restorer, an outside cleaner, an interior cleaner, all the good stuff. And on today's episode, I am going to be telling you about a company called Glove Box that is a car cleaning, car detailing subscription service. So let's get into it. So today we are going to be going with the Daily Dose. This is a starter kit from Glove Box to Daily Dose of Car Care. So if you are looking for a waterless wash, an interior cleaner, a waterless wax, all that's going to be in here. And let's unbox it now and show you what they look like. Now, one reason I was super excited about Glove Box is the fact that they consider our planet in their product. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that in just a moment. So in this box, you'll have a waterless wash, a spray wax, a glass cleaner, and an interior cleaner. It also shows method of care in the front, so how you're gonna be using their product. So let's go ahead and unbox now. Now, when you're taking your spray bottles out, you're gonna notice that it's pretty ergonomic. And what I mean by that is that the bottles are square, not like usual spray bottles that are rounded at the edges, which make them extremely hard to store. So I do appreciate that they were considering how we store these things when we buy these. So you're gonna notice that this box has 4 different products in it. The first one that we took out is the interior cleaner, the bottle, and cloth. Let's take our next one out. Now you're also gonna notice that the refill pods match the color of the rag so that you are not mixing products with each other, which I also appreciate. Now, I said pods earlier, but I didn't really explain myself. Now, what is one of the most amazing parts of this company is the fact that they are really asking you guys to take care of the environment and not just keep buying more and more bottles that are gonna get stuck in the landfills and aren't gonna be good for our environment. So what this company does is they have pods that look like this. The way this is gonna work is these sit perfectly on the neck of the bottle, and then you add water for the perfect dilution of the product along with the water. Now, if you like the product, you just refill the pods. You buy refill pods. Instead of buying a whole new bottle and throwing that plastic away, you just buy this little pod over here, which I think is absolutely amazing. I haven't seen another company that goes about their products in this fashion, so I really do appreciate taking care of our planet first. So let me give you a closer look at the product before we test it out. Now I first just want to show you how this is going to work. So you are going to take the spray nozzle out of your bottle. You will notice that the neck of the bottle is thicker than a usual bottle. Now the edges are flat for storage like I had mentioned previously. Now all you're going to do for this product is you are going to take those little pods that I talked about earlier, those refill pods, and all you're going to do is slide it in the neck. And it sits perfectly. Now you'll notice that each of those refill bottles has a perfectly circle hole in the middle for your spray nozzle to go directly in it as such. And then you screw on. Now obviously nothing's happening because we haven't added the water yet. So let's take this out. Let's do this all over again, adding that water. So I filled it with water, you guys. There is an indentation. Now the bottle is filled with water, you guys. There is an indentation around this area. That's your water line. So all you're gonna do is drop that refill pod in, seal the top, and it'll dilute to perfection. So let's do that now. And there it goes, you guys. Look how insane that is. Wow, that is so cool. So let's give it a minute to dilute. Then we're gonna go through and do all the bottles and then we'll test it out. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and dilute the rest and see what they look like. Alrighty, the next is the spray wax, glass cleaner, and interior cleaner. Make sure to screw it on tight and watch it dilute. Let's give you a close-up. Now that all the products are diluted, let's go ahead and try them out. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to use the product on the driver's side of the Jeep and then compare it to the passenger side, which I'm not gonna touch. Now the first product that we're gonna try is the waterless wash, which is the green. So we're just gonna apply it on the Jeep and wipe it off. Now something that I do appreciate is the fact that it's waterless. You guys, we are in a drought and it is getting pretty bad out in Southern California, all over California, honestly. So it's pretty great that this is a waterless wash. Honestly, it looks great, it smells great, so let's get to cleaning the rest of the side. Look at all that dirt it just picked up, you guys, that's insane. Yes, it really needed a cleaning. The next product I'm gonna try out is the spray wax. Now you will notice that when you diluted the wax, it was a little bit of a different consistency. So yeah, let's check this one out and see how it looks. Make sure to get the color coordinating cloth as well, and let's get to it. So I already think that just the wash and the wax look absolutely great. Again, I love that there's no water. It's literally a bottle and a cloth. But to show you what it looks like, let me show you the passenger side versus the driver's side. The driver's side is where we applied the product. So let's go. So this is the side the product was applied to, and as you could tell, it really looks like apple red. It's looking super sharp, very awesome. Now this side just looks dull because the dirt is reflecting off of it. Now it's a little bit hard to tell, but I would say there is a substantial difference between application of product and without it. The next product we have is glass cleaner. So let's clean this one off, and then I'm going to show you how dirty my side mirror is and use it on that so you can see a good look at what this product can do. So let's start with the window itself. And make sure, again, to move the nozzle and spray. And pump it a few times. There it goes. Now there is a subtle scent, but it's not too overwhelming, which I appreciate, so I don't feel like a walking piece of gum. But if you like that, you go. So there's my side mirror, no judgment you guys, but let's see what the product can do for my side mirror. Wow, you guys, that actually looks amazing. I'm gonna go do my other mirror because I know that one needs cleaning also, but that's honestly a spotless glass clean. So I would definitely recommend that. Wow, even look at my side door or my driver door. That looks great. Okay, we're gonna apply this for the rest of the Jeep, but let's get to the last product first. Alrighty, you guys, the last item in my glove box today is an interior cleaner. It says that it has a clean scent, which I appreciate. Again, not too overwhelming, but I like knowing that things are clean. So let's go ahead and try the interior cleaner. A few pumps. Now, if you drive a Jeep, you guys know it always gets dusty in here, whether your top's down, your windows are down, so it's really important to have a good cleaner to make sure that things don't stick too long. Boy, just with one, I got some dust. That is, must be doing something right. So there you have it, you guys. I think this is exactly what it is advertised as. It is a starter kit. It is so user-friendly. It's honestly a simple clean, a simple wax, interior cleaning, and a window cleaning, which is super important for us when we're driving for visibility. I would highly recommend this box, you guys. First of all, well, I already said first of all. Secondly, I love that they're refill pods. I think moving into the future, you guys, we really need to consider our planet and come up with better ways to take care of our environment. And I think this pod concept is incredible, and I've never seen another company do it, so I would highly recommend that. I would say the scent is not as potent as some other products, which some may like or some not like, but overall I'm super happy with it. Now, they have subscription options, but they also have purchase options. So if you want to try out the starter kit, I'm going to drop a link below so you can purchase your own. Thank you guys for coming along for the ride. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple. We have so many goodies coming up. I cannot wait. And honestly, I was so happy with it. Now it's time to go clean the rest of the Jeep because half of it looks not so nice. Thanks for coming along for the ride, you guys, and we'll see you soon. I love the waterless wash and the wax so much. I'm gonna do it on Greg's Jeep and see if he notices because it is like so dirty. So why don't I show you guys what his Jeep looks like and then let's clean it for him. Alrighty guys, let's go in with that waterless wash. Greg's might need a bottle or two of this. I don't know. You can seriously just see a line straight down from where we washed it and where we didn't. That's insane, you guys. Before the wash, after the wash. What a difference, you guys. That's crazy. Clearly it looks way better with the wash, so let's go ahead and wash the rest of it. Much better.